in terms of trading. Let's say you just started trading, you just found ICT. What I would say is the only thing you need to know is just to focus on highs and lows. That's it. You don't need order blocks. You don't need fair value gap. You don't need breakers, mitigation block. You don't need any of that. Like, all you need to do is just focus on highs and lows. Are we likely to take this high out, or are we likely to take this low out? If you can't answer that question, don't trade that asset. Find another pair to trade. Like, it's that simple. Like, everyone's trying to overcomplicate it because they've got a fucking course to sell. Do you know what I mean? Like, they've got a fucking course to sell. That's why they're trying to overcomplicate it. It's actually easy. It's easy to predict where price is going to go. Yeah, highs and lows, that's all you need. It's all you really need. So that's what I would say. That's probably the most important thing. And then after that, once you can predict where price goes, any model will do. Literally any model will do. Anything that you trust will do. But the one caveat I would say is once you've got a model that you trust, it's your mindset. That will let you down massively. Like, it doesn't matter who you are, you're going to have some sort of like mental baggage that you've brought into trading. So for me personally, I'm quite a disciplined guy, so I'll always follow my trading model. I'm quite patient. Patience. Patience. Fuck. Anyway, yeah, patient. And I follow my model, but I have a massive fear of losing. Because, I don't know, maybe it's ego or something. I don't want to be wrong. Like, I don't want to be wrong. When I'm wrong, well, no one likes being wrong, do they? So, for me, when I lose, I start doubting myself, even though I forget like fucking loads of winners beforehand, or I can always predict it. And then the one time I don't, I'm like, oh shit, can I even do this? So that mindset, that will hold you back. Something in your personality will hold you back. And for me, it's fear of losing. And then you've got to figure out how to deal with that. Yeah? Because there's only so much you need to know about trading. All you need to know, where is price going to go? An entry pattern. That's all you have to do in terms of trading itself. But like in terms of like trusting the model, you've got to do more like legwork. You've got to do psychological work, right? And no one's going to help you with that because it's all like different. You don't hear any of that. You don't hear any of that psychology talk because no one really gives a shit. That's why no one gives a shit. It's not sexy, and yeah, it's kind of hard. You got to figure out yourself. But for me, fear of losing, I'm almost more afraid to lose than I am to like just win in general. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm more afraid to lose 1% than I would be like happy to make 3%. Like, how crazy is that? What the fuck? What the fuck is wrong with me? But yeah, the only way I can overcome it is just, I don't know, just literally, right? So I'm swing trading now, so I've got so long to look at the setups. Because what I would do is I'd be so afraid of taking a loss. I'd be like, oh, no, that's not my setup. I can't take it. Like, I look for any reason why I can't take it. And now that I'm a swing trader, I'm still doing the same thing. But because I've got so much time for the setup, the form, I can actually realize what the fuck you doing, you pussy. You have to take the trade. Do you know what I mean? So now I've actually learned a lot. Like, because I'm swing trading, it's so slow. It's easy for me to like overcome like my psychological issues, right? But I sound like I'm retarded or something. But do you know what I mean? My fear of losing, I can overcome it because I know what I'm looking for. Do you know what I mean? Like, I know what I'm looking for now. So yeah. Fucking hell, man. Trading's fucking hard. I don't know. What the fuck were you thinking getting us into this? But yeah, trading is difficult, but I've mastered the markets, and you will master the markets at some point. But the question is, can you master yourself?